Do you dream of making money while you sleep? What if I told you that you could potentially earn thousands of dollars a month without doing much? In this video, we're going to dive into 10 amazing passive income ideas that could change your life. Welcome to Tipsmayer, your go-to channel for finance tips, productivity hacks, and lifestyle advice. Today, we're talking about something that's on everyone's mind: how to build wealth with passive income. Passive income isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom. In today's world, having multiple streams of income is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Let's explore why passive income is crucial and how you can leverage it. Many people find it difficult to generate additional income. They struggle with side jobs, unpredictable work schedules, and sometimes feel like they're working harder without seeing results. There's also a common misconception that passive income is only for the wealthy. But the truth is, anyone can create passive income streams if they know where to start. Today, we're going to debunk some myths and show you how achievable it really is. Let's go. Idea number 1: real estate investing. Investing in real estate can be highly lucrative. Whether it's rental properties, vacation homes, or real estate crowdfunding platforms, there's an option for everyone. Learn how to get started and what to look for in a good investment. Idea number 2: dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide a steady income stream. Discover how to find the best stocks, calculate yield, and start your own dividend portfolio. Idea number 3: peer-to-peer lending. Lend your money to borrowers looking for low-interest loans. This can be a great way to earn passive income while helping others achieve their financial goals. Idea number 4: creating digital products. Sell ebooks, online courses, and software solutions. This is an evergreen source of income, especially if you create something that solves a specific problem or teaches a skill. Idea number 5: affiliate marketing. Promote products through affiliate links and earn commissions on every sale. It's about finding the right products to promote and using content marketing to drive traffic to your links. Idea number 6: automated blogs. Start a blog that's monetized through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Once set up, it requires minimal maintenance for continuous earnings. Idea number 7: YouTube ad revenue. If you have a channel with great content, monetizing through ads can be very profitable. It's all about creating engaging content that viewers want to watch. Idea number 8: online courses and membership sites. Teach what you know through courses or create a membership site with exclusive content. This can provide a steady income stream through subscription fees. Idea number 9: renting out assets. Do you have a car, tools, or space to rent? Platforms like Turo and Fat Llama allow you to rent out assets and earn passive income. Idea number 10: selling on Etsy. If you're creative, Etsy can be a great platform to sell handmade goods. From crafts to digital downloads, there's a market for unique products. Now, let's talk about the 10th, and perhaps the most surprising passive income idea: AI-generated content. With platforms like myourf.ai, you can create high-quality audio and video content without showing your face. Imagine the potential to earn passive income with automated content creation. Today, we've covered 10 incredible ways to generate passive income, from real estate to AI-generated content. The key to success is finding the right mix of strategies that work for you and taking consistent action. Remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you can start earning without lifting a finger. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and let me know which idea you're excited to try first in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a financial tip from Tipsmayer. Check out our other videos for more ways to build wealth and live your best life.